Happy 4th! We're going to San Francisco to bring the baby to the aquarium of the bay. San Francisco. And then we're taking the ferry.
Yes.
Kaya we're wearing our ferry hats.
Junior, sabi mo, we're taking the
ferry hat.
We're taking the barko.
Barko. Say barko.
Say barko.
Barko.
Barko. Yes. Happy 4th. And beautiful day. Hey baby. Wow. Boots with the fur. Let's go pay. Let's pay our parking. 576. Yan.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Ay, sa boat? Wala pa sa loob. You ask nga, pero sa loob yata kukuha.
Waterfront.
Nagbasa ako eh.
Ano this? Waterfront. Okay.
Get ready. O yan. $8. Parking. Dito sa Vallejo. Buti maluwag. Yay! Pumila na sila CJ doon. And then may event din dito. We're back here sa Vallejo Park, Mayor Island with our bucket huts.
Baka hihila ka.
Kasi pag nandito kami, magfe-ferry. Dito nag-park lang dito sa covered parking. Mas safe kesa kung saan may iwanan. Ay yes, thank you. Yan, nakita ni Mr. B mabigat ang aking bag. Puro lang kwan yan. Kung ano-ano. Wala naman tubig. Thank you, Mr. B. Oh, tamo yung hat natin tsaka yung puno. Bagay na bagay. Sabi niya kaagad, can I sit with you? Let's go. Where are you going, baby? Upstairs?
Yeah.
Uy, wow.
Yeah.
Upstairs. Uy, wow. Mainit, ayoko dyan.
Ayoko eh.
Yan, dito tayo sa may balkonahe. Baby! Hi! Yan, July 4th, La Cuacha.
Nakalimutan ko may bonamina.
Brava! CJ, feeling Hawaii. Yan na.
Ayan na, nag-iba na ang tunog.
Bakit pag nag-iba na yung tunog? Bibilis na.
Oo.
Bibilis na.
Nag-shift gear.
Apoy sika. Wala, lakas na ng tunog ah. It's getting faster, baby. Getting faster. Oh, bilis na. Oh, it's faster now. Tatay, I see your hat, Sammy. He doesn't want to wear it because it might be blown by the wind.
parang yun.
Kami ay nasa ferry na naman. Sakay na. Tulog pa. Si Jay at naman. Napagod na dun sa likod. Sa may open air. So, pasok naman.
Mag-cross tayo ng bridge. Ayun o. There. Look, look.
Under the bridge. Look. Oh.
Why are we passing in the bridge?
Yeah. See that?
What is that?
Ano?
What is that? What
Tawid
is that?
tayo.
What is that?
Oh.
What is that?
Hindi naman naabot eh. Hindi naman barko eh.
Yan. Bridge na yun.
Yung kabilang bridge. Oh, yeah. Oo.
The bird is on.
Yan, nakadaan na. Sailboat.
Dapat malang clear naman nila to. I can see you.
Oh, it's close. Ice.
Why?
Oh, ganda yung Bay Bridge naman.
Malabo lang yung salamin kasi maalon.
Then dito, malinaw.
Yan ang Bay Bridge.
Ano no?
Ay mo Mr. B?
Indayon.
Indayon. Gawa ganun, umaalon-alon.
Okay.
Yeah, very good. Just taking
Do I
a
picture
video.
it?
Just take a video. Oh, we're docking. We're here.
Eh.
All ashore.
Oh,
Mm.
it's so close. All in the shore.
We're all ashore.
What are the shore? Getting our fishy wishy.
Fishy wishy. Yan na. Clear na.
Those are getting the fishy wishy.
Fishy wishy.
Fish. Wishy wishy.
Sumanao. Ay, abot mo pa talaga sa akin. Thank you. Ay, kailangan pa ba? Hindi na. Yan o.
Nirakan sa akin all the way.
Yeah.
Oh, yan na yung photo. Ay, ano naman itong pakinig.
Kaya yan, Gate E. We're here. San Francisco.
Dami tayo ng isda.
Okay. Napag ganun tuloy siya nung umalis. Oy, baka pumunta sa kalsada.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever try.
Karanta ka.
Si Mr. V at ang kanyang Gucci bag.
Dapat din na lang itong ginawa natin eh.
Ano?
Yung red na lang eh.
Bala ang bahay na.
Hello, baby ka. Hi, sus. Having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nauhaw ang bata.
You gotta get ready. Don't let that bus flash, you know what I'm saying? So, brothers, soul sisters.
One, two, three. Do it again now. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Kwan pa lang to. Piers 15 and 17. Kalahati pa.
Another 10 minutes walk.
Oh no. Museum. Museum pala to. O talagang naka-fourth sila. We'll have that later. Clam chowder. Yan yung tour bus, no?
Oh.
Tour buses. Ay. Yan na tayo sa Pier 39. Yung hiker, wala lang. Wala, o yan na yung mga manloloko. Yes, destination is on your front.
Pinaparil yun.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
You can see the aquarium from here, only a few steps away. Yay! Tired na ang baby. We're here. Yes. Can you see us? Picturean kita dun.
What color do you want?
Go. Take a photo. Heart, sandali. Ayan. Ayan. Smile. Wow. Nice. Where's Kaden? Nakadausdos. Diretso na tayo dun because I paid online. Ay, sus, napagod. Pagod ang baby. There's your octopus, ah. Dito tayo sa entrance ng aquarium. Tired?
Tired and hungry.
Yeah, I